Just be advised, I am holding a B-52.
All right, folks, you're going to get something today that you didn't get yesterday out here. If you look to your right, down towards the tower, look to the left of the tower, you're going to see a rather large airplane heading this way. That's your B-52 coming in from the right-hand side for us today for Barksdale Air Force Base. You can tell by the telltale smoke trail of the B-52. Now the B-52's H model, this is a very large aircraft, the length of 159 feet, 4 inches. A takeoff weight of over 488,000 pounds. From your right, however, had the B-52. Now the B-52 celebrated its 50th anniversary. First flight was in April of 1952, on April 2nd of 2002, of course. It is the longest serving combat aircraft in the world. Over 744, actually 744 aircraft were built. Now the B-52 H model entered service back in 1961. 104 of the H models were built. The last one was delivered in October of 1962. Now get those dates, folks. 1962, the last one was delivered. However, due to an extensive system of structural upgrades, its service life has been expected to continue well beyond the year 2030. He's not done. He's coming back. We're getting 3 passes today. It just takes some territory to turn that beast around.
There you go, boss. Continue your left or your right-hand turn. And I know it's hard to keep it tight within the 5 miles. Try to do that. There you go, look up.
Some of the pilots flying the airplane, their fathers flew the B-52. I will guarantee you the airplane is older than any pilot flying it today.
And the B-52 has 2 more passes. He's currently on about a 10-mile final for his next pass.
That's 40 feet, 8 inches atop the fin on this aircraft, that tail fin on the airplane.
Entering the approaching 240.
It weighs 185,000 pounds empty, and with the full fuel and bomb load, that's up to 488,000 pounds. What's your car carry? About 12, 14, maybe 20 gallons of fuel, your fuel tank on your car? B-52 carries, you ready for this? 312,197 pounds divided by 6. That gives you approximately how much fuel it carries. Top speed about 650 miles an hour. No, it's not supersonic. But it carries 70,000 pounds of bombs in a cargo bay on that airplane. It can carry what they call mixed ordnance in the aircraft. Bombs, mines, missiles. It's been modified over the years to carry the air-launched cruise missiles in the bomb bay on the aircraft.
Will the bomb bay doors be open? Affirmative. After that.
As they went up and circled Indy, then they came down here and flying a passive for us today. Now the United States Air Force retired 18 B-52H model, leaving 76 aircraft in service, stationed at the Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana, and Minot Air Force Base in North Dakota. Now, the aircraft were retired at a rate of 1 every 2 weeks. Didn't take them apart, didn't destroy them, they are stored in a hangar at Tinker Air Force Base in Oklahoma, just in case we might need them in the future. Now, the B-52 flies with a crew of 5 on board the aircraft: the aircraft commander, a pilot, radar navigator, and electronic warfare officer on board the airplane. And what did it cost? Well, back in the 60s, they were $84 million a piece. A lot of bang for the buck, considering the F-35 is now $90 to $100 million for a single-place F-35. No, it was built before the days of stealth operation. Our friends from Barksdale, Bombay doors open your B-52.
Boss, thanks a lot for being a part of the air show. You guys have a safe trip back down to Barksdale and stay safe with your mission.
Yeah, thanks for having us out here. It's a pleasure.
Have a good Memorial Day, guys. We'll talk to you later.
You too.